to Megan's Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious healthy salad dish. It's going to be a Cajun chicken mango salad. The ingredients we have today, of course, we're going to need the romaine lettuce. We're going to need chicken breast. I have 2 pieces of chicken breast, the butterfly. For the salad itself, we need avocado, tomato, cilantro, and the mango. Some purple onions, cucumber. And for the seasoning, for the Cajun seasoning, we need spices such as garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, cayenne pepper, paprika, and sugar. I kind of use the stevia sugar today. And for this dressing of the salad, I'm going to make Dijon mustard vinaigrette salad dressing. So we're going to have Dijon mustard, grated onion, honey, apple cider, and olive oil. And there's 2 things here that the nutty part is optional. So I have the pumpkin seeds and some roasted almond and cranberry. Alright, so let's get started. So first of all, I want to start marinating the chicken. So we are going to pour in the spices here. And kind of mix it up. Then we're going to put in the chicken, pour in the chicken. Kind of massage them well so they are all evenly coated. And we're going to let this sit for about 10 minutes. We don't really have to marinate it too long because we just want a little flavor that's soaked in with the meat. Okay, so I am kind of mixing up well. And there you have it. Then we're gonna let it sit for about 10 minutes. Then I will put it on the grill pan and we'll start grill pan the chicken. Okay, while we're waiting for the chicken to be marinated, I'm gonna show you how to make the dressing. Here I got this shake and pour dressing shaker. I got this from Tuesday morning and I love it. So first of all, we are going to pour in the apple cider, then the olive oil, then the honey, grated garlic, Dijon mustard, salt and pepper, last but not least, the lemon juice. Lamb juice, sorry. Okay, let's shake it up. This is the opening. Once you're done, you have the opening and pour out. For now, I'm going to start shaking it up. You can put this in the blender and blend it well as well. Alright, there you have it. Dijon mustard vinaigrette dressing.
A few moments later.
Alright, the chicken is ready. I'm gonna start grill the chicken on this grill pan. You can put outside grill as well, but I'm doing this indoor stuff. Let me turn on the heat. I'll probably put in about half tablespoon of the olive oil.
Can you use vegetable oil?
You can use any cooking oil, vegetable oil, canola oil,
Peanut oil?
vegetable, yeah, any kind of oil. But I'm using olive oil to try to get a healthy fat. All right, so we're gonna put in the chicken. I'm gonna wipe it out so you can do that. And the chicken, I cut it in half and then I butterfly it, so that's what I look like this.
So this isn't a Vietnamese or Chinese
No,
meal.
Cajun is what we would use. This is Cajun. This is Cajun. Cajun style. We're going to cook this about 3 to 4 minutes each side. I'm gonna let it cook, then I'm gonna flip it over to the other side. Close up. Okay, so it's been cooking about 3 minutes now. I'm going to flip it over to the other side. Beautiful caramel. I love this grill pan. Okay, let me stick for another 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, the chicken is about done. I did flip it over again to make sure that it's really cooked, especially the thick part. So I'm going to turn off the heat. And we are going to let it sit for about 5 minutes, cool off before we start slicing it thin. Beautiful. Love the char pouring on the chicken. Okay, we're gonna let this chicken rest for about 5 minutes. In the meantime, I'm gonna show you the spin up the salad and the spinner here to get it dry. Okay? If you have one, that would be very convenient to use. If not, you just let it drain dry. So I am going to put all these were cut off at bite size and washed off. So now I'm just rinsing it. Make sure that the salad is fully dry because we don't want it too wet. Mix up with our dressing. Very convenient. Put back in here.
And what is that called?
Salad spinner. Then we lock it up. They have different brands. This one, I don't remember where I got this one from. And you start spinning it. Give it a few spins. Then we dry up the lettuce.
Cooking toys.
Okay. I'm gonna.
We need to get a sponsor for that.
Huh?
We need to get a sponsor for that.
So I'm going to pull out the salad since we are ready to serve. See how dry it looks? Beautiful dry. We have the salad already spin up really dry. Now we're going to put each part of the ingredients into the salad. So first I'm going to pull in my cucumber. My tomatoes. onion, the purple onion, and get it nice and pretty. Of course, the mango is the main part of this salad. I pick a ripe one and then I just cut it in cube. So we have mango, tomato, onion, and the next part we're gonna put in is the avocado. And I'm gonna show you what I do is I'm gonna just chop it up. So I'm not good at picking avocado, but let's see how this one turned out. I wish they have a big one, but if you like a lot of avocado, you use 2 of these. So voila, not too bad. And cut it in half each. Okay, we just cut off. Now we can just peel up the avocado one by one. And my glove only cover, you can't even see. I didn't want to touch it without my glove. So when you peel it, all you do just use the finger, push it off. Voila. Now I'm gonna cut it in cube as well. Just cut it half each slice. Now I'm gonna cut it in cube. And transfer it over to my salad bowl. Now the last part of the lettuce mix is the cilantro. Just pour in the corner. Okay, now the chicken is ready. I'm going to start slicing them and place that in the salad bowl. Cut too thick nor too thin. It's only about half an inch, quarter inch. It's well cooked. See? You see it's really cooking. So I'm gonna start transferring them over to the chicken bowl. Alright, so this is the last piece of the chicken I just cut. So let's transfer it over. You can just place however you want, depends on your size, bowl size. But there you have it. Looking pretty good, isn't it?
Yep.
All right, so let's toss it up. Looking beautiful.
Smells good too. It's crazy.
This thing would just stay for me. I love mango, so this salad definitely a good fruity, nutty salad.
So if there's anything that you didn't want, you can just leave it out.
Right, it's optional. You can leave out anything in here that you don't like the nuts if you don't like, the onion you don't like.
And that won't change the taste.
No, it's the dressing that keeps the taste and the chicken. The main thing here is the grilled chicken, however you like to marinate your chicken, Cajun style or just salt and pepper. And the dressing, you can use vinaigrette dressing, balsamic dressing, or dijon mustard. So I am going to transfer it over here. Nuts usually fall in the bottom. This bowl will fit at least 4 people.
Look more like 15 people. That's a lot.
And salad is just like water. You can't really.
That's true.
Yep. All right, so I served half on the plate and the other half we serve next. There you have it. Our delicious, beautiful, colorful Cajun chicken mango salad. I hope you enjoy my video and give this recipe a try. Share with family and friends and let me know how it turned out. Thanks again for watching my video. Hope you enjoy it and happy cooking. See you next time.